Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The molecule contains a benzene ring as the core structure. Moving on to the next step. Two substituents are present on the benzene ring. A. At one position, there is a C is equal to O, CH3 group, which is an acetyl ethanone group. B. At the meta 1, 3 position relative to the acetyl group, there is a NO2 group, nitro group, drawn with a positively charged nitrogen bonded to a negatively charged oxygen and a double bonded oxygen. Moving on to the next step. The two substituents are in a 1,3 meta relationship on the benzene ring as visible from the structural drawing. And for the final step, the principal characteristic group is the ketone, acetyl attached to the ring. Named as a phenyl ketone, the compound is ethanone with a 3-nitrophenyl group giving 1,3-nitrophenyl ethanone. Alternatively, it can be named as 3-nitroacetophenone, but the IUPAC name is 1,3-nitrophenyl ethanone. No other options are present to eliminate, as this is a naming identification question with a single structure. Therefore, the correct answer is 1,3-nitrophenyl ethanone. The correct answer is shown on screen.